Thermal imaging camera. For orders, please check description. World premiere Ulefone Power Armor 90D thermal imaging camera. You can use with mobile phone. 600 plus sold, 123 reviews. Okay, and this is the price, and 62% off. Real price $1,000, but this is the discount price. Some comparison. Battery super flash charge, wireless charging, Android 12 NFC and Google Play, 17 GB RAM, 256 ROM. Yes, you must watch this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. For orders, please check video description. 123 reviews, ratings 4.6, 600 plus sold. Thank you so much for watching this video. For orders, please check the video description. And this is a plus point is waterproof device, waterproof thermal imaging camera.